Hello everyone, you are watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is min function, which we use within SQL, and this is lecture number 14 given by myself, Shinaz Malik, and I'm a data scientist. And let's begin, let's understand first what min function does. And min function just returns the smallest value of the selected column. So if I give any column to min function, it's going to give me the smallest value of that column. And the syntax for min function to use within SQL is simple, that you take the column, give it to min function, give all that to select statement, and then you show the table name where that you show the table name from where the column resides, and then you can give the condition, where condition, okay, if necessary. That's if necessary. Let's quickly open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and execute this query. I have written a small query for all of you guys, and if you see, find the minimum of unit price from this table and where product ID is among the following, and this query is written in this format. And uh, you know um, if you really and truly would like me to explain it, what I'm doing is, this is the column from where I'm interested in minimum smallest value, okay, and then I'm giving all that to select statement. And you know that when we have these kinds of queries, we have to give the alias name. For example, here I'm just giving alias as cheapest product, and from table sales order detail, where product ID is in the following. And if I execute this query, I get 15.7455. Okay, now what's happening inside this query? Okay, would you like to check? And I think let's dig down, deep down inside this query and just see what's happening. So I'm selecting all, I'm completing my here, okay, and I don't need anything afterwards. Okay, I'm just commenting these two lines, and if I execute now this query, what it will give to us is, let me take this out. What this gives to us is, we could see what's inside the table, which we could see what's inside the table. So everything inside the table, but what we are interested in. Okay, can you tell me what we are interested in? So here is, so I am interested in this column, okay, which is this column. So I'm asking, what I'm interested in, the smallest value in this column. Okay, so that's why I'm passing it to min function. Okay, and all that I'm passing to select statement. And this is the alias that you will get. You will see this alias in the result. Okay, if I can show you even this. See, this is this column header. So basically what I'm saying, give me the min, but I'm saying only I'm interested in product ID, which is in the following. So product ID is this. So for example, 707 777, okay, and 793. So I'm saying that pick only these, pick among the smallest value among these products. Okay, and we got 15 point whatever it was, 74, I think it was, right, 7455. Now let's add other values. For example, 792, and let's see what happens. Will it change? It still remains the same. Let's add another. Any random uh, number. 709. Let's put 709. Okay, let's see what's that. Oh, 4.75. Let's pick another one. And 922. Okay, 922, for example. Anyone, let's see if it changes. 3.99. Now the question is, if I ask you a question, okay, let me ask you a question. Okay, if I quickly do what I did before, just to show you how these queries work, I'm just trying to create a great foundation for all of you guys, okay, who might be, in a puzzle that how these things work. Okay, trying to solve a puzzle that how these things work. Now let's and I'm going to slow and steadily give you all advanced level knowledge and and try to share as much as I know and write advanced queries with you. But for that, you have to first set the foundation for all that stuff. Now here, once I execute this query, okay, and you can see that we have these when we put 922, we got that smallest 3.99. Let's see why it gave us 3.99. Okay, let's go down and check this. Where is this 3.99? So we have 5 point. I could write another query and find it quickly for all of you guys, but I'm just trying to see if I can find it quickly. If I can't, then I have to send another query, which will within seconds show us. Okay, I think I need to write a query and why that came as it came. So let's find. Okay, let's find everything. I don't know if it makes sense, this query, but I'm just going to make this query just to understand why we got that result, or why we got that result. Okay, so I don't need this. So basically, if I execute this query, I will get answer of my. And if you see that now, for this product, okay, for this product ID, the unit price for unit price is 3.99. Okay, so that's why when we give this, so it has unit price 3.99, and now uh, so here we might have different these prices. We have a different unit price for 707, a different unit price maybe for 777, and different or same unit price, it depends, and 793, 792, 709, but the smallest among this is this. And I can show you, I can show you in the other query. So if we give 709, for example, let me copy and paste, and I show you in all. Okay, so just remember, so just let's put these numbers here just quickly so that we can execute quickly. So I'm going to use my keyboard. Okay, I'm going to use my keyboard to execute these queries. So for example, I'm executing for 777. So what you get for 777, just keep eye here, okay, on this unit price, and you have to see the unit price should be 1. Okay, so order quantity should be 1, sorry, order quantity should be 1, and then check the unit price of our particular product ID. Okay, and if it is sometime maybe less or sometime more, it depends. Maybe the prices have changed, maybe there were discounts. Okay, whatever, maybe we have changed the prices, but what I mean to say, the unit price is different here. Now surely this is all greater than 3.99, so it won't come in our we can't select this when we are putting our query. Let's put 777 in and quickly see. Okay, and now 777 is having also in thousands, so it is greater than 3.99 our result. Now let us see 3793. Okay, 793, and I'm going to execute it, and here is, and it's also in 2000 and something. So again, let's use 792 and see what it gives us. And again, it's in, if you see order quantity is 1, and it's again in thousands, greater than 3.99. Okay, I hope you understand what what point I'm just trying to make. Okay, if I'm seeing now this one, and then will be our last one. Okay, 709. So now the unit price is, say, 5.70. Okay, so okay, and the okay, so okay, the unit price will be always like, what's the price of one, and then the line price. Okay, then the line price will be multiplied by unit price and times this. So unit price of single item is this. Okay, and let's move on, and see 922. Okay, 922, and if you see now 3.99, and of course if we give all of this, all of these numbers in our query. Okay, all of these numbers in our query. So I have shown you the lowest is 3.99, and that's why we get this 3.99. Okay, this is the reason. When you give this column and say give me the min of giving the min through checking this column, but where the condition matches this, and then it says okay, then it is this. Now what about if I want to find cheapest product in this cheapest? So let's not create the let's not give the condition and see 1.3283 is then that. Okay, so this is the way actually you can use this minimum, this min function in SQL queries to find a lot of good information, which might be useful for the business for what you are working. Okay, and now I could say that if this lecture has been useful, please subscribe and connect to me if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And in the meanwhile, I hope to see all of you in next videos. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Remember, sharing is caring, and here's the subscribe. If you go in your wherever you are watching, whether in on desktop or mobile, this is all you have to press and you'll be subscribed. And this is the kind of bell, and I say press the bell icon. And if you are watching it on YouTube or and some similar platform, but on YouTube, you just need to click this bell, which will be not here but on your screen, and then you will be notified as soon as I upload new videos. And if you like my video, if you think I have done a good work, and if you like this video, then please like it, because that gives us enough motivation. That gives me more and more motivation to make better videos for you, more videos for you on more subjects for all of you, whether it comes in under data analytics or it comes in data analysts or programming world or data scientists. I'm happy to make lectures, whatever I have learned in my life. I'm happy to share with all of you, because I understand that sharing is caring. When I share, I care about my society, about my colleagues, about my juniors, about my seniors, and altogether, if altogether we can do a great work and make a difference in this world and create a great country and great global village for all of us. With that to say, if you like it, it's a time to say goodbye.